Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Carvello Crochets Custom Orders Vlog, Day 0. Let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Tiffany here from Carvello Crochets, and I am starting a vlog of sharing with you how I can complete 2 custom orders in a week. We have 2 big orders, and a lot of crocheters have asked me, how am I able to complete so many orders in such a quick turnaround? Well, you get a first-hand look of how I do it. Today is day 0 because we have not started anything. We do have 2 orders on the docket, and these orders, my goal is to have done by Monday, not tomorrow, the following Monday. So we're going to go through the process of getting ready, which is what all today is about. So this is day 0, and day 0 is usually my prep day. So let's talk about the 2 orders. So the first order is a pair of boho pants, which is from my boho pattern, and a do-rag, which is a YouTube tutorial that I can link here for you. This order was a DM order. The client reached out to me via DM to order a pair of boho pants and a do-rag. She paid her deposit. Now it's time to get started. What I've done so far, in terms of day 0, I need to have this ready either the day 0 or before, day 0, is I have her basket of boho cakes. So with my boho pattern, you have to make cakes. So I've made all of the cakes. I have them numbered. I have the picture. So tomorrow when it's time to start, I just pick up a cake and start crocheting. Okay, that's first. The second order is a baby blanket, which was a website order. Give me 1 second to pull up the profile. This is one of my monogram baby blankets, which is a very big and consistent order that I get. This was a website order, so it's already paid in full. She wants the name Amunra. That's really pretty. And she wants it vertical. So she wants the letters to go vertically, so up and down. So tonight we are going to do the day 0 prep, which is filling in this sketch. So I make a sketch so I know exactly what I'm doing, so that I am able to start as soon as I get the yarn. Now, as you can see at the bottom, I have all of the yarns pictures on here, so I can get the colors from that yarn. So these colors were already confirmed. I reached out to her, I want to say it was before my I reached out to her after my trip. So I reached out to her last week to show her the colors. She said she's not really a visual person, so she don't know if she liked the colors or not. But she's like, go ahead and do whatever you want. So, okay, fine. So now what I'm about to do is I'm going to map out the colors in this graph so that I am able to make sure that I have that visual picture. So when I'm crocheting, I know when I need to stop a color, start a color, etc., so I can make this come to life. We already confirmed the colors. And so one of the things that I did too, which is a great business owner move, is I confirmed the colors with her I'm getting them from Hobby Lobby, during the week that were no sales. Once she confirmed, like, okay, yes, these look like the colors that I want. These look like the colors that I want. So I was like, okay, great. On Monday, tomorrow, I'm going to go to the store and buy this yarn, but it's going to be 50%. It's going to be 30% off, because their 30% off week is this coming week and wasn't last week. So just being strategic and making sure that I am able to, finagle the system so I can still, get out a good product, but I'm still budgeting smart. Okay. All right, let's jump into setting up this I had to move up a little bit, setting up this blanket. Okay, so I'm going to change you all now to aerial view, where you'll be able to see my my iPad, and it'll probably be on like a fast speed to show you how I do the sketch, and then I'll send the sketch to her to confirm.
So let's start with the app. This app that I'm using is called GoodNotes. I use it on my iPad, and since I brought my iPad 2 years ago, it has been a very big help with my business, from creating invoice sheets to doing things like this, which is like creating a sketch. The GoodNote also has it set up where you can take a color from a picture and it becomes the color of your marker. And so that's basically how I was able to get the colors at the top and be able to create this sketch. In the next series of my custom orders vlog, I will be sharing with you all my invoicing process, my communication process, and the specific things that I do that allows me to have very great customer service and for people to be able to want to keep coming back to me. Um, right now in the video, you can see me just adding color into the sketch. As I said before, this really helps me know and be able to quickly move through, knowing where to put each color, so I'm not doing any guessing. I already have the picture. I'm just following the model of the picture to create the blanket. All right, and so the other thing that I want to talk about is that when I am in day zero, I'm looking at my work calendar, I'm looking at my social calendar, and I'm looking at my workout calendar to determine when will I have time to effectively work on these two orders. I have two orders that I'm trying to finish by Monday, and it's important for me to be able to prioritize work, workout, and my social calendar. And so as I said in a previous video that I'll link at the end of this one, I have very specific steps that I take to make sure that I am scheduling out enough time to complete these orders. The first thing that I do is that I prep the yarn, which is what you're seeing here. The second thing I do is I follow a specific schedule. And so my schedule includes 3 nights a week for 4 hours from 8 to 12 a.m. where I am crocheting and working on the orders. And the third thing that I do is to make sure that I have very specific checkpoints. So my goal for this blanket is that by Friday, all of the columns are done so that on Saturday or on Sunday, I have enough time to actually crochet out the letters. It is a lot of letters, it's 6 letters. So what I may do is do 4 on Sunday and then 2 Monday morning before it is time to ship it out. For the boho pants, I want to have the boho pants done by Saturday. So that Sunday, all I have to do is make the do-rag to match, and then I'll have enough time Sunday night or even Monday to be able to get the content that I want to have with those pieces. So it's not just all about making the items. It's also considering the fact that you want to get content, you want to have time to, showcase the order to your social media to promote that, you made this, you've been able to create this. And that is going to be important for you to do because every order is an opportunity for you to get another order. If you don't use the order that you just finished to gather content, to make it marketable and show folks what you're able to do, you are not helping yourself build more business. It is also important that you are sharing your progress. You want people to see you taking the steps to make something. Now, these boho pants were included in a viral video, which pulled in these two different orders. I had a boho skirt and I had boho pants that brought in two orders. But as you all know, my boho pants, skirt, and shorts is actually a pattern that I sell. And so since I have been making these boho pants this week, I've sold 5 patterns for the boho pattern. That is It's so important to market yourself and to market what you're doing because you are You are the active billboard showing folks what you can do and showing folks that they want to be a part of it too. I also counted each color to see how many squares I needed, and then I was able to calculate how many skeins I needed for each color. So I need 2 brown, and then I need one of the rest because the rest will set me up perfectly. I'm going to start in the bottom right hand corner and work my way up, trail over, go down, up, and then down. So each letter will be set up that way. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment below something that I shared that resonated with you, or please share something in the comments if you have any other questions. Please like and subscribe. My goal is for 1,000 watch hours, so you watching this video all the way to the end means a lot to me. Please share it with someone to maybe help them, and I'll be happy to answer any questions or provide any additional concepts. As I said before, there will be a future video where we talk about invoices, we talk about the consultation process, and we talk about certain things that I do to allow me to have high quality customer service where people just keep coming back to get more Carvello crochets. And I wish that for all of you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.